A QwikChange dual-station machinable jaw set includes 2 movable jaws, 1 fixed center jaw, and 2 fixed jaw plugs. Each jaw in this set was engineered with a specific function in mind. The fixed center jaw repeatedly locates the part. Machining the stops directly into the fixed jaw ensures your part is parallel and perpendicular to your machine axes. The round and diamond locating hubs on the fixed center jaw locate within tenths to the locating bushings of the base, therefore saving time by eliminating the need to indicate repeat setups. Plugs in the fixed center jaw prevent chips from lodging in the mounting holes. Notice, while loosening the screws with the T-wrench provided, the fixed jaw lifts off the system. This is due to the ejector bushings protecting the round and diamond locating hubs on the center fixed jaw, thus easing fixture changeovers and increasing the longevity and accuracy of your setup. The movable jaws clamp the parts to the fixed jaw. QwikChange designed some movement into the movable jaw in an unclamped state, giving it the ability to conform to the part while ensuring equal distribution of the clamping forces. Once the part is clamped, ensuring the slide assembly tower is engaged, the movable jaw will no longer move. This is due to the engagement of the movable jaw pocket with the tower of the slide assembly. The angle on the hook of the tower directs a portion of the clamping force down, pulling the jaw and part down and in with every part change. The movable jaw is reversible and quickly snaps on and off. This high-strength aluminum jaw set provides a blank canvas for you to design your part interface directly into the jaws. The finger grooves provide a general idea of the no-cut zone. For detailed dimensions, refer to the Product Information Packet or CAD model. Should you need additional clamping surface, these jaws are also available in high, wide, oversized, or made-to-order jaws such as max blanks. No matter what size you choose, each jaw set holds 2 parts with only 1 clamping. QwikChange's signature third-hand mechanism allows you to concentrate on loading 1 part at a time. Refer to the video for detailed instruction on how to set the third-hand mechanism. To change from one accessory to another, you will need only the tools provided: T-wrench, swivel handle, and screwdriver. Use the screwdriver and T-wrench to remove the fixed jaw and snap off the movable jaw or jaws. Temporarily remove the cover plate. If you are currently using a faceplate, simply unclamp the faceplate and remove it. Retrieve the cover plate. Position the slide assembly such that the back of the rear slide assembly tower aligns with the front of the rear locating bushing. Using the T-wrench, tighten the third hand screw. Ensure the handle guide and handle seal plug are in the front of the base and the rear seal plug is in the rear. Position the cover plate such that the cover plate's blind locating holes are face down and the base's rear locating holes are exposed. The center locating holes should be exposed and the locating bushing plugs inserted into the rear locating holes. Hook the rear movable jaw. Ensuring you are pushing back and down, snap the movable jaw into place. Repeat this for the front movable jaw. Place the center fixed jaw. Using the T-wrench, tighten the center fixed jaw screws. Place the center fixed jaw plugs. You are now ready to machine your jaws. Whether you are machining simple step jaws or complex jaws holding a family of parts, by following some simple QwikChange tips, you are guaranteed to get the most out of your dual-station machinable jaw set. Make sure each part's locating features are in the center fixed jaw. Since a dual-station jaw set locates and clamps 2 parts, it is common to make the copy-paste error. To avoid this, some customers have used a code to mirror the part or rotate it 180 degrees. Others simply leverage a CAM package to do the coding for them. The dual-station jaw set was designed to squeeze clamp the parts to the center fixed jaw. This equal and opposite clamping force prevents jaw deflection, giving you a system you can rely on for both accuracy and repetition. Leverage this strength by ensuring your parts are opposite one another both vertically and horizontally about the fixed center jaw. By shifting the part off-center, giving access to the side of the part, and then rotating the part 180 degrees, you will offset the clamping force. This will introduce unnecessary torque to the center fixed jaw and ultimately affect the accuracy of your parts. The same is true horizontally. If the clamping interface of the parts are misaligned, then the clamping forces will also be misaligned. Instead of canceling one another out, the reaction force will cause unnecessary jaw lift and could potentially shear the tower of the slide assembly. Instead of moving the parts off-center to access the side of the part, center the parts and machine the jaws away to access the side of the parts. Another option might be to clamp 4 parts in this manner. This allows you to have access to the sides of the parts while maintaining a center line of the clamping surfaces. For application ideas and suggestions on how to machine your jaws, check out our website or give us a call at 724-772-1644.